The Farmer and His Sons. Mr. Thompson has 3 sons, David, James, and Peter. He is a very diligent man. He works in his grape fields all day, but his 3 sons are all very lazy. Mr. Thompson is always worried about them.
David, can you help me in the field today? I need your help. I can't work alone.
But, Father, it's too hot outside. I'm too tired today. Besides, I am the eldest. Ask James to help you.
You are always tired, David.
David lies down on his bed to rest. Mr. Thompson calls his second son, James.
James, what are you doing now? I need your help in the field today. I can't work alone.
I'm sorry, Father. I'm busy today. I'll help you tomorrow. Ask Peter.
You are always busy, James.
James pretends to be busy. Mr. Thompson calls Peter, his youngest son.
Hey, Peter, are you busy now?
Not really, Father.
Are you going out somewhere today?
No, Father. Why do you ask?
Well then, help me in the field. I need your help. I can't work alone.
Peter makes up an excuse.
I would like to help you, Father, but I am not feeling well today. I have a headache.
Not again. The last time you had a stomachache.
Mr. Thompson goes out to the field alone in the hot sun. He works all day while his 3 sons do nothing. His neighbors see him.
Look, dear, it's Mr. Thompson. He is working alone again.
Where are all his 3 sons?
Didn't you know, dear? They are the laziest boys in the world. They never work.
Really? That's too bad. Poor Mr. Thompson.
Mr. Thompson worked hard all his life. Finally, he gets very sick and cannot work anymore. He is about to die.
What will happen to my 3 sons after I die? They will starve to death for sure. How can I change them?
Mr. Thompson cannot stop worrying about his 3 sons, even in bed. He thinks and thinks. An idea comes to his mind. He calls his 3 sons.
My dear sons, David, James, and Peter, I love you all, but I cannot live for long. So when I die, take care of my grape fields for me. That's my last wish.
But, Father, I'm not interested in grapes.
I don't want to work under the sun all day, Father.
I want to live in the city. I don't even like grapes, Father.
The 3 sons keep complaining until Mr. Thompson tells them his secret.
But the 3 of you must keep the field. I buried some treasure there. Find it, dig it out, and share it together.
What did you say?
The 3 sons cannot believe their ears.
Did you say treasure? When did you bury it, Father?
Are there lots of gold and silver pieces inside?
Those things are not important.
Then
What is it?
Where is it?
Peter is right. Where is the treasure buried, Father?
I'm sorry, my sons. It was so long ago, I do not remember. Just keep digging and you shall find it.
Mr. Thompson dies a few days later. David, James, and Peter start digging for treasure the very next day.
Look, dear, aren't they Mr. Thompson's boys?
I think so, dear. But they have changed. They are working so hard today.
I know. I can't believe my eyes. Mr. Thompson would be really happy.
The three brothers dig and dig, but they cannot find any treasure.
Where's the treasure?
Perhaps there isn't any treasure.
That can't be. Father must have buried it very deep. Let's dig deeper.
Peter may be right.
The three sons keep digging and working in the field for months. It is now fall.
There is no treasure here.
We dug up the whole field for nothing.